Hey everyone, today we're at Seaflower, specifically looking at Cardel Homes. This home is the Bali model. It's a 3-bed, 3-bath, has an office and a den. It's got a 3-car garage at the back. The nice thing I like about this is you can have an ADU above the garage, essentially their own 800 square foot apartment with living space, with full kitchen, bathroom, pantry. Base price for this home, $609,990. What do I love about this home? One, the organic tones in the finishes. Behind me here, as part of the cabinetry, the island that the camera is sitting on right now has the nice organic brown cabinetry as well. And on the bar side, for additional storage. Other things I like about this is the functional layout. There's no wasted space. Every room has a purpose. Every space is usable. Plus, a lot of homes, you don't actually see a space for a dining table now. Everything kind of centers around the kitchen island. This home, as you'll see from the video, there is a dining table here. Pretty big one, 6 people. It's not small, it's not massive, but it's great for the space that we have at this Bali model by Cardel Homes. This Bali model sits on a 50-foot wide lot. There are other models that sit on 60-foot lots. So depending on the type of model you want, does come with a specific lot size. However, the finishes and options that you get when you work with Cardel is something you don't get with a lot of other builders. I have a Cardel home in Sarasota, and that's why I like this builder. There's a lot of variety and custom finishes that you can do and additions to make your house not cookie cutter like maybe your next door neighbor. Every home's going to be different due to the way that everyone has outfitted their property.
Scan the QR code to connect with Darren Dowling. Follow and subscribe for exclusive Florida listings and updates.